Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeff here from Foodie Hideout, and today I'm going to be bringing you a video that's going to be kind of similar to what I've been doing in the past, but a little different in the sense that I'm not showing you the whole entire prep work behind the recipe. So in this video, I'm going to be making some Korean pancakes, which is a staple in this household because we really love how the flavors come together. And of course, we're using the pre-made mixture for time and ease of use, but you will see that the flavors still come together really well because it's kind of dependent upon what vegetables you put in it. The other thing we're going to be doing is some veggie dumplings. I've been craving them for a while, but I wanted them with some type of meat texture, so I used Impossible crumbles. And in this, you're going to see what I put in that mixture and how I make them. The wrappers are actually vegan, so that's a good thing. There's no egg or dairy products in it. And I'm going to show you the folding process, which they may not be the prettiest, but they are good. And then we're going to show you the end plate of the Korean pancakes and the dumplings together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. And I'm sorry that I've been away for so long, but my life has been taken away, unfortunately, by my Call of Duty and the new Pokemon Sword and Shield. Yes, I am a gaming nerd. I love it. But there's a lot of things and a whole slew of videos I can make about Call of Duty. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, again, share it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.